Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Masud. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 3 secret words that I use and that you can use as well to negotiate a lower purchase price the next time you're trying to acquire a property. So guys, to begin, I want to tell a little story. Usually when people actually buy a house, they tend to sort of have a look around and they do a viewing, they go for a viewing, they look at the asking price and then they offer a little bit below with no real reasoning or no justification or evidence to justify why they feel the house is worth that much, and they expect the seller to accept their offer. And of course we know from hindsight or just looking at this whole situation that that's not really going to happen. But a lot of people do that, and it's super common. So how do you actually go about addressing that, and how can you negotiate a lower purchase price without actually committing fully to the sale of the property? So my 3 magic words that you can use the next time you try to negotiate a property purchase price is subject to survey. So why do I want to say, or why do I want to give my offer subject to survey? Well, many reasons, but I'm going to highlight 3 of them right now. Number 1, it allows you to mitigate your risk as a buyer, and it allows you to sort of manage the risk, if you like, of actually committing to the sale of the property, and it gives you a chance to lock yourself in and take out all the other buyers who are looking to offer on that property, because it allows you to give a higher offer, allows the seller to accept that offer, so you two are both, have agreed on a purchase price, and now it's time for you to carry out your sort of conveyancing and go through the whole house buying process. But you've mentioned your offer is subject to survey. Now you carry out your survey, and the survey is obviously going to come out with some sort of faults that it's the surveyor's job to point that out. So what do you do now? Once you've actually done your survey, you can actually go back to the seller and mention to them, hey, this and this weren't up to scratch, and I believe that I should be able to buy this house for a lower offer. Now what this does in the seller's mind is it provides factual evidence given by a professional. It justifies why that house is worth that much. Those 3 words and these actions will allow you to negotiate a lower purchase price. I think the key thing here is being able to sort of assess the situation and react accordingly, because say for instance the house was on the market or had been on the market for a number of months and you managed to get the seller to agree on a purchase price. Now the seller at that moment is going to be a lot more relieved than how they were feeling prior to that, because everyone else knew that the house wasn't worth that much, but you managed to give a higher offer and it kind of makes them a little bit happy. But we've done our survey now and we found a number of faults which justifies why we should go back to the seller and give them a lower offer. Now at this point, it's probably 2 to 4 weeks has probably elapsed, and the seller has taken their house off the market, usually, when a purchase price is agreed. So now they're a lot more likely to actually accept your lower offer because they're more desperate to get the house over the line. So this is why it works. Subject to survey. Just remember those 3 words the next time you're sort of trying to purchase or acquire or negotiate a lower purchase price on your property. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, remember to subscribe, like this video, and comment down any thoughts that you might have had. I'm happy to answer any questions. Other than that, I'm going to see you guys in the next one.